today's video, this is a very scary video. I am taking you all behind the curtain, as they say in The Wizard of Oz. So I'm going to be sharing with you my messes that I have around the house from all of my estate sales. And this is my cat Goose. Say hi to Goose. And yeah, so I'm going to take you on my journey of trying to get all of this stuff organized from the different estate sales. And then I'm also leading up to a craft room redo. Yes, another craft room redo. So let's jump in and I'll take you behind the curtain. Here is one of the rooms I'm going to be working on. This is actually my dining room, and this is from recent estate sales. And I do have a couple frames I purchased from Target in here. And then I have a bunch of empty boxes that I'm saving because I, use them for shipping things out. So I like to recycle them. But I want to take those boxes and get those out into the garage and have a nice organized spot for my shipping supplies. But I have tons of great estate sale items, and I have a bunch of books down there, and I just need to get through them, get them organized, and get them. I've gotten some listed on my Etsy store, but I need to get the rest listed. So this is one of the rooms. Really going to try to get all of this organized and labeled so I know what I have and figure out what I'm going to sell and what I'm going to use in what journals. There is a room that I'm going to be working on and organizing. So this pile down on the ground is all going to Goodwill. And also I have packaging supplies that I want to put out in the garage. Here's this huge stack of boxes that I broke down. They were all on the bed. So those are going out to the garage. But then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 6 boxes of things from yard sales and estate sales that I need to go through. We have a light I need to take to the Restore store that was in our dining room. I have this big comforter, need to wash, take it to Goodwill. So, this is another one of the rooms showing you behind the scenes of all the stuff I have and trying to get it organized. All right, and here is another room. I have a lot of my Christmas stuff and in these blue tins and some Christmas stuff here. These go in my closet in my craft room, but I'm getting ready to redo my craft room. So these are here temporarily, but I do have a place for them. But then here is some more. These are projects and work, and also more things from estate sales that I need to organize. And part of my craft room update that I'm going to start working on, and I'll take you along, is I want to find, a place to store all this stuff and a place that's easily accessible and organized. So I have to really think about how I want to group my estate sale items so that I can find them easily. And so that's something I'm going to be pondering. So I'm open to suggestions of how to store things, by type, by color, by season. I'm not sure which I really, really want to do. This is kind of the last behind the curtain mess that I'm going to be working on. And we'll see how the progress goes. Well, and I have these wallpaper books down here that I need to figure out what I want to do with. And then I do have some Cricut vinyl and things like that, and another upcoming journal that I'm going to be working on, and then a few more vintage items here. So I need to figure out how I want to store these and where I want to store them. So this is me behind the scenes trying to get all of my estate sale stuff organized, and either I'm going to be using the items or I'm going to be posting them in my Etsy store. I already have some up there already, so make sure you check out my Etsy store and check those out. Here's my craft room, and you all have seen this before. I have craft room makeover video and then an update on it as well. So if you haven't seen those videos, you can check those out. But I am going to be redoing this room. It's a mess right now because I have so many different projects in work right now. And I'm a messy worker. Like I have to have things out. So I do projects over there and I do projects here. So I have multiple stuff going on. But I am going to have decided I am going to go ahead, I think, and paint the walls. So that means literally everything is going to have to come out of here. And then I'm thinking about moving this desk out of the middle, and I'm going to push all my desk under the windows and then down this wall. And then I think I'm going to move that into the closet, and I'm going to take the doors off the closet so it's more accessible and I can get to things there. And so that's kind of where I'm at with my, looking behind the curtain. So please, no judgment, but I'm open to ideas and suggestions. I am not one of those people that has to have everything put away so that every countertop, every space is like crystal clear. I love those rooms, but to me, those just aren't realistic. So I like to have things visual, like up on this bottom shelf here. This is a whole bunch of different vintage and, new purchase ephemera. And I like it in these clear tins because I can easily grab and go. So that's just how I am. So anyway, yeah, so you've seen behind the curtain. It's very scary for me to show you guys all of the mess, but I'm hoping that will help continue me with being consistent and slowly working through it and getting it organized. I am doing just a little bit every day, and that way it doesn't seem too overwhelming because I want to get those other 3 rooms organized and gone through, and then I am going to then start working on updating this craft room. All right, thank you all so much, and that is it for now, and I will see you all on the next video, and I really appreciate your input in the comments below. Thanks. Bye.